let's cut our ribbons in 3, 2, 1. Let's go, our leadership team.
With the power vested in me as the convention chairperson, I hereby declare the 85th PIChE National Convention open. 𝗴𝟐𝘁𝗵 𝗂𝗃.
The 85th National Convention of the Philippine Institute of Chemical Engineers opened on Wednesday, September 11, 2024, with over 1,700 delegates and industry experts in attendance.
This year, we are very privileged to host the 85th PIChE National Convention. More than 1,700 delegates from across the world is gathering here. So all of the experts, all of the expertise, the wisdom of the chemical engineers are all in one room. So what do we expect? We expect that conversations will happen, tackling about socio-economic issues that are surrounding our island and also the country. So we're very excited for this very successful event. Again, 𝗴𝟐𝘁𝗵.
This year's convention features a diverse range of exhibits from various industries and disciplines addressing key issues in energy, food, science, and business sectors to advance the country's chemical engineering field.
So through the years, PIChE has been involved in many activities for the benefit and welfare of our members, the Filipino chemical engineers. So the current thrust of the PIChE leadership is we want to make the PIChE more stronger through 3 key themes. The first one is collaborative leadership. The second theme is legislative support and national and international partnership. And the third one is membership growth. We see to it that by 2025, we double the number of members of the Philippine Institute of Chemical Engineers.
The convention aims to enhance professional connections and foster collaboration among chemical engineers, contributing to the sector's growth as well as national development.
We are able to connect with engineers, with stakeholders, with potential customers, and they get to know more about our company, how we're doing innovation.
This is a good opportunity for us to really show that chemical engineers can work in the power industry, because normally people think it's electrical engineers, right? But we are chemical engineers, so Aboitiz Power has wastewater treatment plants. We do have environmental departments too. And for both of us, for example, we're working for project development for energy storage in the Philippines.
Over the course of the 3-day event, attendees will explore innovations and thematic sessions focused on the impact of chemical engineering specializations on global issues. It will also provide a platform for professionals to discuss and address industry challenges and explore innovative solutions.
This year, Cebu is introducing 3 innovations in addition to the many that you have already experienced. First, and will happen shortly, is our C-level executives forum, catering to our industry practitioners who compose the 33% plurality of this convention. Second, our World Cafe will capitalize on our delegates and diverse wisdom as they exchange thoughts on relevant issues facing the profession and society. Lastly, this affair souvenir program and proceedings will be documented and published online to provide you with a timeless reference. These 3 significant innovations ensure your convention experience here in Cebu is worthwhile.
This has been Joanne Clarice Espinosa for MyTV Cebu.